Hello, my name is Soria, and I'm a bankruptcy and foreclosure defense attorney in San Antonio, Texas. I'm sure you're aware that the rate of foreclosure has increased a lot in the last couple of years. I represent honest, hardworking people who are experiencing difficult setbacks like losing a job or illness. I know that your home is probably your most important investment, and protecting your home is your #1 priority. I have helped many people in San Antonio and surrounding areas find foreclosure relief. I know you probably have a strong commitment to your house. Perhaps you think discussing foreclosure sounds scary. I can provide solutions to help you make the best decisions for yourself and your family. So you're probably here because you received a notice of foreclosure. The biggest mistake people make when they receive this notice is that they do nothing. The reason doing nothing is a big mistake is because if you don't seek legal help with your foreclosure notice, the bank will sell your home and you will face eviction. This means that you have failed to defend yourself and you forfeited your legal rights, which are in place for your protection. But the good news is, if you seek legal help, you can force the bank to prove their case and possibly save your home. Until there's a foreclosure sale, you own your home. You have a right to live in it and do whatever you want with it. If you do nothing, you're forfeiting your legal rights. To better explain what this means, I have a picture of two paths. The first one is someone who chose to do nothing, and the second path is of someone who asserted her legal rights. As you can see, the first person received the notice of foreclosure. She decided not to pursue any legal rights, and the house was sold. Now compare that to the second person who received a notice of foreclosure, sought a foreclosure defense attorney, and obtained a free consultation. And with the help of that attorney, she learned about her legal rights and her many options available to her, including mediation, negotiating with a lender, filing a Chapter 13 or a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, possibly a short sale or modification of the loan, and many other options. As you can see, the sooner you consult with a foreclosure defense attorney, the sooner you will know your legal rights, and the more likely you are to keep your home or move with dignity. I found that sometimes banks choose not to negotiate with homeowners, but when I'm by your side, my sole purpose is to advocate for your legal rights. You have a legal expert who cares about you and understands what's at stake.
At the Law Office of Jose Soria, we understand how overwhelming legal situations can feel. We strive to help our clients feel confident about their legal issues. If you're facing foreclosure, we recommend that you immediately take action on the following 5 steps. Step number 1, sit down with your spouse to discuss your situation calmly. Blaming each other usually causes arguing, which doesn't help the situation. During this meeting with your spouse, you'll need to address the value of your home and the current balance of the note. Decide whether you are committed to staying in your home. Step 2, organize a file with the notice of foreclosure you received. Include all prior correspondence from the mortgage company and the foreclosure lawyer. Step 3, compile all payments you've made to the mortgage company and all payments you've missed. Step 4, create a diary of unfair practices. Think about the timeline of your communication with your mortgage company. Have they sent you letters? Have you spoken with them over the phone? In this timeline, highlight any unfair treatment. Examples of unfair treatment by a mortgage company include misrepresenting the availability of a loan modification, a payment plan, or stating that the foreclosure would not happen during the modification process. Step 5. Write a hardship letter explaining your situation. The hardship letter should include information about your personal or family story, your financial situation in the last 6 months, a brief description of your experience dealing with your mortgage company, what caused the failure to pay your mortgage, explain any change in circumstances. This would include any new source of income, your job status, or recovery from an illness. Anything showing that you can now afford your mortgage payment. Following these 5 steps will help you navigate your legal situation. Remember, doing nothing means forfeiting your legal rights. The most important action you can take is to consult with an experienced foreclosure defense attorney.
It makes me feel good to help people in difficult legal situations, like those who are about to lose their homes. I'm committed to helping you avoid foreclosure and the sale of your home by providing you with a great legal defense. I look forward to reviewing your financial situation and giving you personal advice so you can make an informed decision about your case. I'm currently offering a limited number of 1-hour foreclosure defense consultations for free. If you prefer to schedule your consultation by phone, you can reach me by calling me at 210-549-8049. Before you go, I have one last free gift for you. Between now and the time we meet, I'm sure you will have many questions. Enter your email address into the box below and I will email you the 7 secrets to stopping foreclosure report. This report will explain to you your rights and options. Remember, the worst mistake you can make is to do nothing. Big banks have lawyers on their side and you should have a lawyer on your side too.